Hey everybody, welcome back to the printing workshop. I'm Matthew, and today we're going to be discussing changing the toners out on this Xerox C315 desktop printer. Alright, now changing your toners, the first thing you're going to do is raise up the top by going to the right side and grabbing the handle and lifting straight up until it clicks into place. Once you get to this point and you get your top lifted, you can see underneath are your 4 toner cartridges. Now to remove those toner cartridges, all you have to do is press up on the green handle of the one that you want to change, and then grab the black box, lift straight up and out. And there is your toner cartridge. Now to go back in with this, set it back in the same way that you came out with it. You're going to put the little bottom piece in first, and then rotate it in, and then go back and go straight down into the slot that it's supposed to be in. And once you get it there, you can push straight down on the black part with your finger until it clicks, just like that. And that's the same procedure for all 4 of these. When you're done installing your toner cartridge, you can lower your top back down by squeezing the black button on the top next to the letter B. But a little hint here is this top weighs a lot, and as soon as you squeeze that latch, it's gonna fall. So what I like to do is I put a little upward pressure with my other hand, squeeze the latch, and then let it come down slowly and carefully. Snap it into place, and you're all set to go. If you'd like to see more how-to videos on this same model, click here. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the printing workshop. If these videos help you in any way, please like and subscribe.